How's it going, everybody? If you guys saw my last video, we got the windows put in. So all 4 door windows are in. And yeah, so this time on this video, I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I've done, because I did some work on it without you guys, because I just didn't feel like filming. And yeah, so I'll show you what I got done, and then we will see about starting on some other stuff. All right, so got this turbo in temporarily. Stuck this pipe on here to see kind of what we got going on there. Got my fuel lines made, so my fuel lines are all hooked to the engine. I still got to get this fender liner and paint it. Let's see what else. What else do we got done so far? Got the windshield gasket in. Snap some trim in. Kinda. Put some trim on the side. Put those in. Put this piece on. Let's see. Yeah, well, you guys were away. You missed out on a lot. Put this piece, set this piece in temporarily. I need to paint. Yeah, this one's got the black in it. I need to do the same on all this. Put this mirror on. Put in the comments. You like them on this? You like this style mirror, or do you think I should do different ones? I really like these ones. Put these pieces on. Looks pretty good. And then the one thing I've done that I'm pretty excited about, that I've managed to figure out how to make it work, is this here. All right, so if you guys know square bodies. All right, so let's see here. That's the factory wiper motor for this truck, and it's got a pump in it for the washer fluid and whatnot, and a motor, and they're 2-speed motors, so you have low and high. And if you guys have driven square bodies in the rain, you know the struggle. The difference between high and low is almost unrecognizable. So I wanted to go away from this, and then, all right, so we're back. It's been a bit. I had stuff that I had to do, I guess, maybe, I don't know. All right, so what we're gonna do today is my hole saws came in, so we're gonna take this saw here, and we're gonna come around this way. And you see right there, we're gonna poke that out the rest of the way. And we gotta put one down on the floor. And yeah, it'll be great. So that's where we're gonna start, and then we'll just see where the day takes us. All right, so ran into town, got a windshield. I got it put in. Forgot to film it, because why would I film it? But yeah, the way I did it is I put the gasket in the window, in the frame, and then I just use this and work this seal around, and then just got to put this piece in like so. And then it's done. I also got around this way. Got these wheels. This is a 17-inch wheel off of a 11 Ram 3500. They don't fit. I need to run like a 1-inch spacer behind it for it to fit. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. They run into the calipers. What else have we got? This one. It's off of a 87 solid back glass. So we'll be putting that in that one because I just prefer solid back glass. They don't whistle. They don't do nothing, and they look cleaner. So that one will be interesting. We'll figure that one out. You can rope them in, but I think I need 2 people to rope it in. So do what we can, I guess, huh? Yeah. Anyhow, we'll get that front window put in the rest of the way, and then we'll try our luck at that one.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared.
All right, so that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. I was gonna build the filler neck, but I don't have the right cap piece to do so. So we'll call it goods there. Got the windows in and did a few other things. So make sure that if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Super nice. And if you're not already, go ahead and get subscribed so we can see this thing here all the way through, because that would be great. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time.